So we are starting our tour. We're coming from Lake Worth, going straight to Orlando. Got our van, which is going to be our lovely home for the next week, and we're on our way to Orlando right now. What'd you think, Sarah?
Hi!
Covered in snow, and in this town I'm barely known. I walk around, I'm gazing up, I'm lost again, I'm giving up. I'm barely but I'm still chubby, and I spend my time in bars and I get lonely, and I run around with my love and with my homies, and we'll take this town as soon as we get money. Oh yeah. I'm drunk again, and I'm all alone. What is this place? Where is my home? Power's out, and I have no phone. And I'm breaking out, and I'm shaking out. It's system overload. I barely, but I'm still chunky, and I spend my time in bars, and I get lonely, and I run around with my love, with my homies.
Well, it's the first dinner of the tour. Shut up!
Take the next left toward
Billy!
East, then turn right onto Florida.
Billie Eilish!
Take the next right onto Florida.
It's the first dinner of the tour. We just finished the show at Orlando Brewing. It wasn't the most packed, but the people there were really nice and really welcoming, and that's one of the most important things on this entire trip. So we decided to celebrate with, I decided to get one taco and some potatoes. Sarah. Hey.
It's okay.
Come on.
Okay.
No. Come on. We're here. Look.
I fucking... I'll figure it. It's okay. I'll figure the pillow. Oh my gosh.
So this is the second day of the tour, and we're here at my mom's house. This is my lovely mother, and we've got a shit ton of food and dogs. Oh! Yeah! So this is our latest dilemma. Our lights won't turn off.
Ha! Do you have the headlight knob turned too far, keeping the interior lights turned on?
Oh, do you?
Wait, try pressing them again though, after you did it.
Oh yeah, because we've clicked these.
With every
Try it again.
Oh, and there's on the driver door an interior light switch.
On the driver door?
Yeah.
Well, where? That's to do your mirrors.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Stupid.
No, it's not.
Is that it?
No, this is for the stuff. See?
What the fuck?
That has nothing
Is
to...
it on here?
No.
Alright, well that was my idea.
There's nothing else that it says?
I don't know. They're hot as shit.
I'm worried that they've been on all day.
I mean, why would they be on though if the car... You said they were on even when the car was off?
No, because I think it's on auto.
Try and take the key out and put it in again. See if this...
It says that they're It says that a lot of the time in this vehicle, the rear there's a stuck switch.
A stuck switch?
A stuck switch.
Where?
That's what it says.
Did it tell you where it is?
No, it just says it could be anywhere.
What?
Where the fuck's the stuck switch?
Ceiling dome. There's no switch for this.
We've touched all these things. No.
There is no switch on this.
I don't.
What is this shit?
First we have the headrest thing, and now we have lights that won't turn off.
Are the headlights on?
No.
It's on auto.
Try fucking with that, I guess.
I did.
Did you flick it to off?
Fuck, we're gonna be late.
Yeah, we gotta get going. I don't know what to do.
I don't want to drive like this though.
Alright, well, we'll figure it out while we're
You know
going.
what it says? If we're
Yeah, that's the thing. We gotta close all the doors. I don't know if we're gonna. I think the battery thing is right now the best idea I can think
That's
of.
what I'm thinking. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a range after this. That's all. We'll stop at Walmart. It's Walmart's everywhere.
Yeah.
Not the end of the world.
Alright, so we need a mic stand. Where's my thing?
I'm not saying you, babe. We'll stop at a Walmart after this.
The car.
Hey!
I said to check earlier.
What was
and you're
it?
like, no, that didn't
Oh
do
my
it.
god, it's a
dimmer.
light switch, homie.
Dimmer. Jeez,
Jeez.
I told you to do this like an hour ago.
Sarah's been having a panic attack for an hour.
Before performance.
Oh.
You're like, no, that's
She's been terrified for like an hour that the car is about to go out.
Wait, let's do it again. Wait, what was it?
This is literally the light switch I told you to turn on and
Do
off.
it again. Oh no, I was doing this.
Yeah, I told you to do it.
Go ahead. Hey. Right over there. Awesome. Cool. Hi, everyone. Hi, guys. Oh, wow. Cool. All right. We won't even need our mic stand.
All right, Dom. What's in the envelope?
I'm sure it's just a very nice car and appreciating it's coming by.
Let's hope. This is Swear's party. I'm walking out there naked.
Oh.
Dominic, brother, thank you for being a part of Noble #1. Thank you for being a genuine artist and seeker. Yes, fam for life, Daniel. Hell yeah.
Sara, thank you for saying and being a part of manifesting this dream of mine. Grateful to have met you and witnessed your authenticity. Till next time. I'm a bad reader.
Can you focus this?
It's all in the lens.
Oh.
Yeah, kind of like that.
That's what I pictured. That's what I pictured. I pictured like a really
something new to
old
check out, you know?
vehicle
What the
with a
fuck?
cowboy hat.
Yeah,
Go from.
this is the GoPro. It's just out of its case.
That's exactly what I pictured.
Just look for that.
That'd be cool. We're going to the beach tomorrow, the waterproof joint.
Yeah, well, and that's like, I'm so tempted about the pool. I'm so, just because I have the water case.
Oh, we're skimboarding tomorrow.
What if you tried to jump onto the skimboard while it was floating on the water?
That would not work. I've tried that. I've also tried that with the surfboard. It doesn't work.
So our current plan is we are going to go book our campsite for the night. We're staying at, where are we staying?
We're staying at the KOA, Kennedy Space Center Campground.
Yeah.
I think it's the KOA.
So we're gonna go set that up, and then we're gonna go play the show, and then we're gonna come back down this way.
And have some shins.
And have some shit. Oh, I hope we see a spaceship.
Oh shit. Alright. Do you have the address?
No, she just told me KOA.
You're right, huh?
Oh, I'm done with the first one. Manja. Italian for eat. I used to get yelled at in Italian. by my
This is
grandfather.
perfect. By the time we
By
get
my
back,
great-grandmother.
we'll be-
Manja, manja.
Hell yeah.
I made all of this food. Manja.
Fucking Sal says it all.
Manja. Fucking Sal. Tell me to manja. Weenies coming at you.
Chuck some wieners at me.
All right, so this is where we'll be staying tonight. This is our campsite.
Bring all that out.
Yeah, we got a fire going at noon. So what? Yeah. I started talking too much shit about how good our fire was.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, Jesus.
Me to life.
Wake me up. So good, guys.
I know. We're warming up.
That's what we're gonna be playing tonight.
Literally, we're warming up before we warm up.
She's Allison in her fire weenies. And then Sara on her circa 2005 phone. 2005!